Hello, my dear friends. This is Ismail Sheikh. Good evening to all of you. As you might know that I am working on this amazing opportunity called Zarfund. I joined this program on 29th of August, and since last 10 days I'm working on this opportunity. I almost have 100 team members now, and almost all my levels, level 1 to level 6, all my levels are almost filled, and very few spots are available now, and this opportunity is rocking for me, for my team. I have already given 550 spillovers, not me, but it is a teamwork. All my team members are promoting this program, and all my team members have done an excellent job for this opportunity. And I'm getting lots of messages on Facebook regarding levels. These peoples are not able to understand what is the level upline level 1 2 3 4 5 6, and what is downline level 1 2 3 4 5 6. What I am going to pay for my upline 1 2 3 4 6, and what I am going to get from my downlines. So there is very much big confusions in the member, and they are not clear on what they are going to get on each and every level, and what they are going to give on each and every level upwards. So this video is all about for explaining those queries, resolving those queries. Okay, so you might be aware of this picture. You can find this picture when you go to home page of Zarfund. You should go to how it works tab, and there you will find this picture. So what this picture shows, there are two sections. Section 1 is your upline, and section 2 is your downline. In section 1, it shows your level 1 upline. So when you join this Zarfund, you will be at suppose you will be at a 0 position. Okay, you have clicked on the link of your level 1 upline and you join Zarfund. So first step you are going to do is add your wallet, then upgrade your account. When you are going to upgrade your account, that time you are going to pay 0.03 BTC to your level 1 upline. Okay, when you pay to your level 1 upline, that time you gets eligible to get two donations from your two direct referrals. So your two direct referrals are nothing but your level 1 downline. So this is your level 1 downline, and you will be having two direct referrals in level 1. So these two referrals will pay you 0.03 BTC. So this equals to 0.06 BTC in total. And when you get these 0.06 BTC from two of your direct referrals, that time you have option to upgrade your account to level 2. So you have 0.06 BTC in your wallet address. So what you are going to do, you are going to upgrade your account in level 2. How much is the cost for level 2 upgradation? It's 0.05 BTC. You will upgrade your account to level 2. That time you are going to pay that 0.05 BTC to your level 2 upline. So your direct sponsor, on which link he has joined, that link belongs to your level 2 upline. Understand? Means your sponsor is your level 2 upline. So in level 1 you are going to pay directly to your sponsor. In level 2 you are going to pay your sponsor means level 2. So that 0.05 BTC you will pay to your level 2 upline. When you pay this, that time you get eligible to get four numbers of 0.05 BTC donations from your four level 2 referrals. Level 2 referrals are nothing but these are your direct referrals, two direct referrals. So the one person will refer to, one person will refer to. So 2 plus 2 is 4 members will be in your level 2 downline. So that 4 members in your level 2, When they upgrade in level 1, that level 1 payment will go to your level 1 downline, means your direct referrals will get benefit of this 0.03 BTC donation from your level 2 downline. Understand, don't get confused, it is very simple matrix. Okay, so you have two referrals, one referral is having two direct referrals, so that two direct referrals when they upgrade in level 1, that is going to pay to your level 1 downline. When your level 2 downline they upgrade in their level 2, okay, so as you upgrade your account in level 2, you paid 0.05 BTC to your level 2 upline. So similarly, when your level 2 downline upgrade his account in level 2, that payment will come to you. Means you are eligible to get 0.05 BTC from 4 of your level 2 downlines. Clear? So in total you will be getting 0.2 BTC in level 2. So once you get this 0.2 BTC, you can save 0.1 BTC in your wallet, and 0.1 BTC you can use to upgrade in level 3. So when you upgrade in level 3, that time you are going to pay your level 3 upline, means your sponsor, you are going to pay 0.1 BTC to your level 3 upline. Once you pay that 0.1 BTC to your level 3 upline, you are eligible to get donations from your level 3 downline. Okay, so when your level 3 downline upgrade in level 1, they are going to pay your level 2 downline. So these 8 members in level 1, they will pay these 4 members. These 8 members in level 2, they will pay your level 1 downlines, means your direct referrals. And when they upgrade in level 3, that level 3 payment will come to you. So that how much is that payment? 0.1 BTC per member. So there are 8 members in your level 3 downline, so you will be eligible to get 0.8 BTC in level 3. So from this you can save 0.6 BTC in your wallet address, and remaining 0.2 BTC you will use to upgrade your account in level 4. Okay, so in level 4 you will pay 0.2 BTC to your level 4 upline. Once you pay your 0.2 BTC donation to your level 4 upline, you become eligible to get 0.2 BTC from 16 members in your level 4 downline. And how much you will get? In total you will get 3.2 BTC from 16 members. So out of this 3.2 BTC, you can save 2.2 BTC in your wallet address, you can withdraw in your bank directly, and remaining 1 BTC you will use to upgrade your account in level 5. Okay, so in level 5, what you are going to do when you upgrade your account in level 5, you are going to pay that 1 BTC to your level 5 upline. Okay, so you will pay that 1 BTC to your level 5 upline. So once you pay that 1 BTC payment, after that you become eligible to get payment from your level 5 downline. So you will be having 32 people in your level 5 downline. They will pay 1 BTC each. You will get 32 BTC from 32 members. Okay, so it depends on you. When you get 2 BTC, that time also you can upgrade your level 6 account. Okay, and remaining whatever BTCs are coming in your wallet, you can use it in another program, you can withdraw in your bank, whatever you want to do you can do. Okay, so what you're going to do, 2 BTC you will use to upgrade your account in level 6. So level 6 you will pay 2 BTC to your level 6 upline. Once you pay this, you become eligible to get 64 multiplied by 2 BTC, so 128 BTC you are eligible to get per month. This is not a joke. 128 BTC is nothing but $80,000. Don't ever miss this program. This is very big opportunity for all of us. This all levels, level 1 to 6 downline, level 1 to 6 upline, these all levels are very simple and systematically put in this sheet on their how it works page. Okay, so you have to go to how it works. You have to understand each and every term what they have written here. I have explained all these things. Okay, if you have seen my first video, then I have explained these all figures in my first video, and also I have explained just before 5 minutes all these level 1, level 2, level 3 what you are going to get. Here I have shown what is the balance you will save after upgrading each and every account. So please do watch my first video also. This is the sheet I have made to easily understand what your all levels does look like in simple sheet. Okay, so I have made this for only one leg. So like this one leg, you will be having another leg also. There are two legs. You will refer two persons. So each person will grow your tree in either direction. Okay, so one will grow in right leg, one will grow in left leg. So I have taken a simple example for right leg only. So in right leg, you will be having 32 members in your level 6 plus 32 members will be there in level 6 in your left leg. Suppose this is you. Okay, this is you and this is your direct referral. This is your direct referral, and one more referral will be there on your another leg, left leg. So I have taken example for right leg only. So this is your direct one referral. What he do, he promotes his link and promotes Zharfund, and he gets these two people 2-b1 b2. So this is level 2, your level 2, this is your level 1, and in level 3 you will get 4%. So c3 and c4 will join under b2, c1 and c2 will join under b1. So in level 1 you will be getting 0.03 donation from two members. As I have shown, only right leg, he will refer to peoples b1 and b2. So b1 and b2 will join under a directly. So b1 and b2 will become your level 2 referrals. Similarly, c1 c2 will join under b1, c3 c4 will join under b2. So you are eligible to get from c1 c2 c3 and c4 0.1 btc each. Okay, level 4 you will be having 8 peoples in your right leg. Similarly, you will be having 8 peoples on your left leg also. I have taken this for example only for right leg. So in level 5 you will be having 16 peoples in your right leg, and similarly in level 6 you will be having 32 peoples in your right leg. So in level 1 you will be getting 0.03 donation from your first referral. Level 2 you will be getting 0.05 from 2. Level 3 you will be getting 0.1 btc from 4 of your members in right leg. Level 4 you will be getting 0.2 btc from 8 of members in your right leg. 16 members will give you level 5 donation of 1 btc in right leg, and in level 6 you will be eligible to get 32 multiplied by 2, so 64 btc in your right leg. So please understand, suppose this is you and you get donation from your direct referral 0.03, and he refers two persons b1 and b2. So when b1 and b2 upgrade their account in level 1, so your direct referral a will get their donation of 0.03 btc. Okay, but when b1 and b2 upgrade their account in level 2, so that donation you are going to get, as you are their level 2 upline. Okay, so this sheet shows only what you are going to get in each and every level. Okay, so likewise in level 3 you will get 0.1 btc donation from c1 c2 c3 c4 when they will upgrade their account in level 3. So understanding point here is that when C1, C2, C3, C4 will upgrade their account in level 1, your level 2 downline B1 will get donations of 0.03 from C1 and C2, and from C1 and C3 and C4 B2 will get donation of 0.03 in level 1. When these peoples in your level 3 upgrade their account in level 2, that time your direct referral A will get 0.05 donation for their level 2 upgrade. Okay, so C1 and C2, C3, C4, when they upgrade in level 2, your direct referral will get donation of 0.05 BTC. When your level 3 downlines, all of your level 3 downlines upgrade their account in level 3, so this is level 3, this donation is for you only. So when they upgrade their account in level 3 with 0.1 BTC, you are going to get all the donation from your level 3 downlines. Similarly, level 4 referrals, there will be total 16 members under you. I have shown here 8 members in your right leg. So these peoples, when they upgrade their account, D1 and D2, when they upgrade their account in level 1, C1 will receive 0.03 BTC. When D1 and D2 upgrade their account in level 2, B1 will receive 0.05 BTC. When D1 and D2 will upgrade their account in level 3, your direct referral A will get 0.1 BTC donation. When D1 and D2 upgrade their account in level 4, so you are going to get that donation of 0.2 BTC. So whoever under your level 4 downline, if they upgrade their account in level 4, then you are going to get that donation. So please be clear on this. It is very simple system. Similarly, D3 and D4, when they upgrade their account in level 1, C2 will get 0.03. When D3 and D4 upgrade their account in level 2, B1 will get 0.05 donation from both. When D3 and D4 upgrade their account in level 3, your direct referral A will get 0.1 BTC from both. When D3 and D4 upgrade their account in level 4, this column is for level 4, and these all members are going to pay you 0.2 BTC. So if D3 and D4 upgrade their account in level 4, you are going to get that donation of 0.2 BTC. Similarly, for each and every member, C3 referring two peoples, D5 and D6. So direct level 1 donation will go to C3 for these two members, level 2 will go to B2 from these two members, and level 3 will go to your direct referral A. And when they upgrade their account in level 4, you are going to get 0.2 BTC. And similarly for D7 and D8. So level 5, each and every member in level 5 will pay you 1 BTC. So there will be 32 members in level 5 under you. So from each of the member, you have eligibility to get 1 BTC. This 5-E1 and E2, these two members join with the link of D1. So when these two peoples upgrade their account in level 1, D1 will get 0.03. When these two peoples E1 and E2 upgrade their account in level 2, C1 will get 0.05 BTC. When E1 and E2 upgrade their account in level 3, B1 will get 0.1 BTC. When E1 and E2 upgrade their account in level 4, A will get 0.2 BTC. And when E1 and E2 upgrade their account in level 5, you are going to get 1 BTC. So similarly for all the 16 plus 16, 32 members in your right leg and left leg, you are eligible to get 32 BTC from level 5. Level 6, you have 64 members. So in total you can have 64 members, 32 in right leg, 32 in left leg. Each of the member can pay you 2 BTC. when they upgrade their account in level 6. One very important point here to note is that your level should always be higher than any of the your downline level. I will explain this. Suppose your level is 2, so you are eligible to get all the donation from level 2, but someone from your level 3 or level 4 or level 5 upgraded their account higher than you. So from level 3, from 8 of the members you are eligible to get 0.1 BTC, but your level is 2, current level is 2. Suppose this C2 member, he already has a stage 2, means level 2. So suppose right now your level is 2 and this member upgrade his account to level 3, so that donation you are not going to get. To get donation from level 3 you have to be at level 3 stage. To get all the donation from level 4 members you must have your level stage 4 at that point of time. If your level is 2, if any of the member from level 5 upgrade his account to level 5, so that 1 BTC you are going to miss. If any of the member from level 6 upgrade his account to level 6, that donation you are going to miss. Even if your level is 5 and someone from your level 6 upgrade his account to level 6, that donation you are going to miss. So you must understand this fact. Okay, always keep your level higher than any of the level of the referrals when they are going to upgrade their account. So always remember this. When your level 4 members upgrade his account to level 4, that time you must be at level 4. So always keep this point in your mind. And I have shown here also one simple table, that this is your upline 1 to 6, this is your downline 1 to 6. You have right leg, left leg, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 levels under you in right leg and left leg. In level 1 you will be having 1 plus 1 2, level 2 4, level 3 8, level 4 16, level 5 32, level 6 64. So I have mistakenly written here 64, it should be 126 I think. So you upgrade your account in level 1, you get eligible to get payments and donations from these two members. When they upgrade in level 1 you are going to get, when they upgrade in 2 they are going to pay your direct upline 1, level 3 they are going to pay level 2 your upline's upline. So similarly like this, when level 1 upgrade their account in level 6 they are going to pay your level 5 upline. So this similarly works. Level 2, when they upgrade in level 1 they will pay your direct referrals, and when level 2 upgrade in second stage level 2 they will pay you, level 3 they will pay your direct upline, level 4 they will pay your level 2 upline. So similarly like this they will pay each and every upgradation to you and your upline. So this was the question from many of the members for me. So I have explained all the levels in detailed manner. So still if you are having any questions, I have given my Facebook link down this video in the description box. So click on that link and send me a message on Facebook, or you can write down your comment also in the comment section below this video. Also I have given my rotator link also below this video. When you click on that link you will be directed to Zharfund site, and there will be notification like that you have invited by some of my referrals. I have entered 5 of my links, 5 of my referrals link in that particular one link. So I am promoting that one link only for 5 of my referrals, and this similar work I will do for you also if you are going to join in my team. Okay, so if my name is not displayed in the invitees, so don't get confused. Join this program with my link. I have given 5 of my referrals link in that particular link. So join with me, join in my team. And if you want definite spillovers from me, from my team, this is the best place for you. You are losing nothing here. You invest $17, you donate $17, and you earn 164 BTC per month. So it is huge amount. Okay, and lots of people are calling this as Ponzi and blah blah blah. Okay, this is Ponzi or not non Ponzi, this is not your cup of tea. Why you are spreading negativity about this program? This is very good program and this is changing lives. So we are all here to earn money. If you can find better way to earn money than this Thar fund, then tell me, I will be happy to join under you. Okay, this is very simple system, easy money. Grab this opportunity as soon as possible. It is going viral. When I posted my video on 30th of August, I think that time total members were 1300. Now it is already crossed 8500, I think. So it is very big opportunity. Join with me if you want definite spillovers. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.